Apple is ready to launch iPhone SE 3. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Apple's spring event is around the corner and we will see the iPhone SE 3 alongside the MacBook Pro M2 13 inches and iPad Air with A15 bionic chip. New leaks and rumors are coming about the mass production of the iPhone SE 3 and Apple target to sell number of iPhone SE 3 in 2022. Almost every spec of this device is revealed. According to Min Chiku, Apple will start its mass production of iPhone SE 3 on March 22, 2022, and Apple is predicting to sell around 25 to 30 million units in 2022. This is by far the most cheapest phone you could ever get from Apple, and you cannot expect too much from this device. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, did you like the design of the iPhone SE 3? As per Q's record, we almost confirm about the iPhone SE 3 mass production and number of sales. iPhone SE 3 comes with the company's top-notch processor A15 bionic chip and comes with the 5G connectivity. The phone will comes with the same design like the iPhone SE 2 with a 4.7 inches big bezel display, but Apple justified the price for this, making its cheapest phone ever made, which will cost you around $300. But for that, you need to compromise on display because in today's world, 4.7 inches display seems very small, but for flagship processor, it'll be okay. Last time we talked about the battery of iPhone SE 3 compared to its predecessor, the iPhone SE 2, but we are not confirmed about the capacity. A new leak came up where we see the 2821 mAh battery for the iPhone SE 3, but it is not confirmed because considering the same design like the iPhone SE 2, it will be difficult for Apple to fit this much amount of battery in iPhone SE 3. iPhone SE 3 will come with the three colors black, red, and white, and with configuration 64, 128, and 256 and possibly 3 gigs of RAM. Apple is very precise when it comes to camera, so we see one lens on the back 12 megapixel and possibly 7 megapixel on the front. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below did you like the design of iPhone SE 3. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.